Today we are going to talk about something super cool. Digital electronics. I know it sounds fancy, but don't worry, I will explain it in the simplest way possible. Ready? Let's go! So, what is digital electronics? It's all about how we use electric signals, those 1 and 0, to make things like computer, phones, and game work. Inside any electric device, there are tiny parts that all work together. These parts are either active, they do something, or passive. They help things run smoothly. Thank you.